This particular guy right here says, I will make bobblehead cartoon from your photo. And this guy says, I will draw more bobblehead cartoons. And this is basically working for him. He has already gotten over 180 people. There are a lot of people right here on Fiverr that are utilizing this particular strategy. All you need to do right now is simply go ahead and watch this video down to the very end. You don't need to be a techie expert. You don't need to know about graphic design. You don't need to even have a desktop for you to achieve this, okay? Simply by turning images to bobblehead, okay? These are bobblehead images, and people are simply delivering this value to Fiverr. And this is one of the low competitive Fiverr niche you can go into. And as you can see right here, when you type in bobblehead here, you're gonna see only 101 results, which means a lot of people are neglecting this niche. But people want their pictures to look like this, okay? You can use this particular picture right here just like this as NFT. You can use it as profile picture. You can use it as your for your YouTube automation channel where you don't have to show your face and lots more, right? So I'm going to simply show you an AI platform that can also help you achieve this. So for you to get started with this, the first thing you need to do is to head over to your Fiverr. When you head over to Fiverr, make sure you click on this join button, and you have to make sure you create your account on Fiverr, okay? When you create your account, then this particular platform is going to simply verify your account. Once your account is verified, make sure you sign in by coming to this section as a seller, right? Because as a seller, you're going to be offering your services right here. So for instance, this guy right here is basically online and he's still charging people. So if you click on this, you can see right here we have the basic plan, we have the standard plan, we have the premium plan, okay? So the premium plan is going to simply be earning him $20 per client, okay? Right, so you need to do right now is simply go ahead and do the same thing that this guy is doing on Fiverr, okay? Just create a gig for yourself. If you don't know how to create a gig and you want me to show a video on how to create a gig, I want you to comment gig on the comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply show you how you can create your gig, how you can optimize your gig for SEO for you to rank on search. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification icon, okay? So once you come over to this section, you can see right here, this is what it says here. You can use this cartoon on your gaming account, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, Instagram, on YouTube channel, and Twitch, okay? And it says I will provide JPG PNG format file with transparent background, okay? Which means you can easily use this as anything, all right? But the best part about this particular niche is that the ones these guys are delivering don't even have much quality, okay? So with the AI tool which I'm going to introduce to you, you're going to be getting high quality bobblehead images, okay? Once you're done creating your account on this very section right here, which is Fiverr, the next thing you have to do is to make sure you set up your account on this very platform. You have to simply set up your account on this very platform, okay? The link will be in the description of this very video, okay? So just come over to this section that says bobblehead. This platform right here is going to simply allow you to create bobbleheads for free. As you can see right here, these are the ones I created recently, right? And these ones are already on my Fiverr account. All you need to do right now is simply go ahead and import images, convert them to bobblehead images. When you generate it, then you click on the save button right here to save this on your devices, okay? So I'm going to be saving this once I've already done already. Don't bother yourself. I'm going to simply show you how you can get yours and also save it, okay? When you click on the link in the video description, it's going to simply take you to this very section where you can simply create your bobblehead images. So what you have to do right now is simply go ahead and import the image you want to convert by clicking on this platform right here. Clicking on this button which says add images, okay? When you click on that, go ahead and pick an image you want to convert, okay? So I'm going to simply pick the image of me, my image right. This is my image, and I'm going to simply click on this open button. So this image is a transparent image. I don't know whether it's going to work, but we're going to simply try it out, okay? Then click on this try out, okay? So they say we should go ahead and log in, but before you log in, you can easily go ahead and type in how you want this to look like, okay? Any prompt you want to add, okay? Maybe your style of design, if you want it to be in a beach, if you want it to be in a hotel, and a lot of that, okay? So click on this try now, and we're going to simply click on this sign in button. All right, so click on try now. All right, so it's loading. So let's wait for it. So the only thing they need is your face, okay? So make sure that the face of the person is bold, okay? So let's wait for it. It is loading. Okay, the first one is out. You can see how it looks like. This is just a basic picture of me, but it's making it fair. All right, and link, I think I like this one. This one makes sense, but this one says failed processing. Okay, so we're gonna simply upload another, maybe because the image was a transparent background image. Okay, I think I like this one. So if I click on this open button, this is just cool. Okay, let's open this, download it first. I think I prefer this one to this. All right, so I'm gonna simply download this, go to my download section, go to this, let's open it and see how it looks like. Okay, then open with photo. Okay, you can see right here, this is my own image right here. This is cool. And does it look like me? We can see right here, you can see the quality of what we got from this AI to what you were seeing on Fiverr. Okay, so this one has cool quality. Okay, we didn't even give it a prompt, but they got ahead to give us these suits. I wore glass in my picture, then they brought about this particular suit right here with this cool canvas. Am I on the top of a cake? I don't really know. Maybe this is a cake or something else. Okay, maybe you can use this as a birthday cake for somebody. All right, so my birthday is coming up by June. I'm not going to tell you the date. Okay, so this is basically how this platform works. And if you can simply come back here and do more stuff right here, then this is basically going to work. Okay, you can also go ahead and select another image of anybody and turn it to a bobblehead image, 3D bobblehead image on Fiverr. So long as you have this particular tool, you can as well go ahead and set up your gig on Fiverr. Come over to your Fiverr right here, create a gig, which I told you, if you want me to show you how to create a high converting Fiverr gig that is optimized for SEO, that can rank for you, I want you to comment gig on the comment section. If I see 50 comments, then I'm going to simply make a video about that. I will know that you're interested in that. Okay, so this is basically how it was. Just go ahead and create your gig on the platform, put in your price over here. You have to check out the prices of other people. Okay, this one is selling for $55 upward, this one is selling for $10 upward, $70 upward, but make sure you sell for $5 if you are starting out. Okay, to get people's attention and also to get your first ever reviews. Okay, if you get reviews, you can easily go ahead and increase your price. This is basically how it works, and this is basically how you can use this AI tool. So for you to promote this, you can simply promote this on your blog website. You can promote your gig on your website blog, on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and lots more to get clients that will patronize you for this very service. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this video channel, check out the link in the video description, join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next video.